Hey everybody, this is John. I want to give you a quick tour of a really cool new feature in TradingView where you can create custom alerts for an entire watch list. This is really helpful if you want the same alert to be applied to all the symbols, and rather than manually applying that one by one, you can now do that on the entire list. This is also really helpful for custom indicator alerts. So let me show you a few examples. I have a watch list over here on the right. If you choose this drop down right up here in the upper right corner, and select the option create an alert on the list, you can now create an alert that will apply to all the symbols in your list. For example, let's say we're interested to know when the price moves up 3% over the next 5 days for any of the symbols in the watch list. This is all you need to do. One of the places that I see a real advantage in using this is if you have a custom indicator. Whatever indicator that is, you can choose that indicator. For example, here's the trend follower indicator. And now you can set any preference that you like as far as an alert. So let's say, for example, we want to know when there's a power trend started on any of those symbols. That's all you need to do. Choose the indicator, select the condition, and you're good to go. I hope you found that helpful. I appreciate your time, and we'll see you in the next video.